leg lift or leg raises. Leg raises are one of the most effective abdominal exercises that you can do to improve core stability and strengthen the lower back. Source: this basic exercise also targets the hip flexors and hamstrings, which makes it effective for improving posture. Scissor kick. Benefits of a scissor kick. The scissor kick exercise works your core muscles, glutes, quads, and adductors. Engaging your core muscles is what allows you to flutter your legs up and down. The core muscles include the rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis, and the hip flexors. Bridge exercise. Benefits of bridge exercise. A bridge exercise isolates and strengthens your gluteus butt muscles, the gluteus, maximus, medius, and minimus, and hamstrings, which are the main muscles that make up the posterior chain. It is done by lying on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the ground, and at a comfortable distance from your butt. Side kick exercise. Benefits. The side kick works all the major lower body muscle groups, particularly the quads, glutes, and outer thighs. Side kicks also automatically use the muscles of our core. We call this reactive core training, where our core gets stronger because the side kick forces these muscles to automatically respond. Elbow plank. Benefit. Elbow planks can help you tone your core while also improving your stability and balance. Core strength can help in correct spinal alignment and reduce the likelihood of lower back pain and injury. If you already have back discomfort, planks can be beneficial. Quote of the day. What seems impossible today will one day become your warm-up.